Okay, check this out, right? So here's what you're going to get when you purchase my book. I just want to show some of the things you get, right? So we got the physical copy here, right? There's a lot going on online. So, you know, when you get something physical, there can be something special about it. So, right, you get this book. This book is over 200 pages. So you get that, right? And we back it with, guess what? We always back all of our products with 100% money back guarantee. So if you don't like the book, send your money, tell us you were dissatisfied, and you can even keep it, right? That's how much we believe in our product. We got 2 extra items in there for you. So I'm gonna include this report. This is my free report on what you need to know about lead generation. This report is approximately 20 pages in length, and it's going to teach you the things that you need to know about running advertising and marketing in your real estate business. Next, we're going to also include this here. So these are the 11 common social media mistakes for real estate entrepreneurs. You'll get this as well. And then there are some other bonuses that you can't really touch, right? So I'm going to give you a course. You're going to get my how to meme course that's included. And you're also going to get a couple of other bonus resources. All you got to do is check down below and you'll see all those resources there. So I'm excited. I appreciate you for being here and even considering purchasing my book. One more thing, you purchase it directly through the site and you get all those bonuses. If you're uncomfortable using a site, you want to purchase it somewhere else, you can go to Amazon, Barnes & Noble, sites like that, and it will be there as well. You just don't get the bonuses. So I'm excited. Thank you for checking us out, and I'll see you on the inside. Bye-bye.